Subedar Neeraj Chopra (VSM) created history by winning the nation's first gold medal in javelin throw at the Olympics with a gigantic throw of 87.58 meter at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. This was the first Olympics medal in track and field events at Tokyo and ended India's 121-year wait for an Olympic medal in athletics. He has joined the ranks of Abhinav Bindra and is only the second Indian to win an individual gold at the Olympics. Subedar Neeraj, 23 years, was born on 24 December 1997 in a family of farmers from a small village of Khandar in Panipat, Haryana. His father, Mr. Satish Kumar, is a farmer and mother, Mrs. Saroj Devi, is a housewife. He grew up along with two sisters. Neeraj started javelin to reduce weight as he was quite healthy and quickly took a liking for the sport. The rest is now history. He came into prominence with his performance at World Under-20 Championship, Poland, where he set a new junior world record with a throw of 86.48 meter. He won Asian Championship 2017 in Bhubaneswar with a throw of 85.23 meter. Neeraj started training under the legendary Mr. Ove Hohn of Germany and won the gold medal in Commonwealth Games 2018 with a throw of 86.47 meter and threw his personal best of 87.43 meter in Doha leg of Diamond League 2018. He won the Asian Games with a throw of 88.06 meter. Subedar Neeraj was enrolled in 4 Rajputana Rifles as a direct anti-Naib Subedar on 15 May 2016. After joining Indian Army, he was selected for training at Mission Olympics Wing and Army Sports Institute, Pune. Mission Olympics Wing, a premier initiative by Indian Army to identify and train elite sportsmen in 11 selected disciplines at 5 Mission Olympics nodes to excel in various national and international competitions. Mission Olympics Wing has given 2 Olympic silver medals in shooting to the nation and is committed for many more. Subedar Neeraj Chopra's medal highlights the hard work and efforts of Mission Olympics Wing. Subedar Neeraj was conferred with the Arjuna Award in 2018 and VSM in 2020 for his excellence in sports.